This is the Springwell Smartflush SF4M. This is the mains powered version. So inside the box we have screws, wall plugs and cable clips. We have a sheet which has a QR code. So with the QR code, you can scan that and register for a free extended warranty. So that takes this from 2 years as standard up to a 3-year warranty. There's no cost for that either. All you'll need is the serial number, which is just there. On the back, there's information on how to leave a review if you wish. Side we have fitting instructions. So these are the SF4M fitting instructions. So these are just step-by-step guide. So just follow the instructions to make sure everything's done properly. Inside the box we then have the controller. So this is the main controller, and it's labelled to advise that it is mains powered. Now this is the latching solenoid valve. There is a note here as well, because the valve can arrive either open or closed. Now it is latching, so the note is just reminding you that the controller is sending a very quick pulse to the valve. So the voltage will most likely read 0 all of the time. It would be very difficult to actually see any voltage because it is such a quick pulse. The valve is pre-wired, so you can see there's the connector. All you need to do is fit this to the pipework the correct way around. There is the word in underneath, so just make sure that that is on the incoming water supply side. Within the controller we have the inbuilt transformer. So all you need to do is connect a 3-core flex from a 1 amp fuse spur to the controller. So all you do is use this connector here. Once you've got it connected, you then plug the valve in as such. And then all you need to do is just go through the instructions and through the setting up procedure. You'll know that there's power there because there's a red LED there. So just make sure that the red LED is on once your power is turned on. You've got switches there, which are your flush cycle time, your manual flush button setting, and your sensitivity setting. There's also the set button there, which you will need to set the fill time, and the buzzer is just under there as well. And then on the front, you can't see it, but finger to the left of the sensor, push down, and there it is. That's the secret button. So that will test the valve. So just test the opening and closing and make sure it's working. Once it's on the pipework, and that is everything that comes with the kit. So that's the Springwell Smartflush SF4M, and that's the mains powered version.